Welcome back to the channel again, and today I have one of the Chinese inverter which comes with the CT clamp, and it is supposed to support the zero export function, which says operating voltage is 22 to 60 volts, 1000 watts, and can work with the battery and solar panel and so on. So let's see what is inside. One CT clamp, the inverter itself, it seems to be heavy. It has AC output and a switch and the CT sensor connection or the connector. In front we have a fan and DC input plus minus. A half meter. Okay, I cannot use it. It is not for my country, so I will use another one, and some manuals or instructions. Let's see what these instructions say. So this is the user manual. This thing comes in 3 variants: 800, 1000 and 1200 watts, 18 to 60 volts, 1000 watt. And what are the parameters? Now you see that problem here. Here it says 18 to 60 volts. Here it says 25 to 60 volts. Starting voltage is 22 volts. And on the cover it also says 22 to 60. Yes, on the cover it says 22 to 60 volts. Here it says 25 to 60. Anyway, so 22 ampere current is possible here at for 1200 watts. It is 40 amperes, and maximum voltage is 60 volts. Efficiency should be 99% when it is used with solar panels and so on. Nighttime power loss is half watt, so which is in my opinion good. And the fan starts at 50 degrees. It has Wi-Fi from Smart Life. And it says the LED light, if green light is on, it means powering and starting. If it is flashing, it means it is working. If it is red light, it means in island protection. And red light edge, again if it is flashing, then under voltage or over voltage, with different modes. And zero power outlet, it says anti backflow grid connected technologies. So it says that AC output line is supposed to be connected before the CT clamp or before the load. So this one is when it is connected with the solar panel. The next mode is when it is connected with the battery, and the third mode is when solar panel is connected via charge controller to the battery and the battery is connected to the inverter. So let's see whether it works or not and how the Wi-Fi interface is. Okay, so I connected the CT and the power. Currently there is no power on, so let me give the power here. Okay, and turn the switch on. So whether it is dead on arrival or not, I will now know. So It seems that it doesn't start when there is no battery or solar panel. So now the solar panel is also connected, and I turn it on, and currently voltage is 13 volt, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21 volts, and so till 16.25 it doesn't start. But if I connect it around 19 volts, around 18.5 volts, it starts flashing. So I would say I would give it 23 volts, and currently it is taking around 14, 16, 20 watts, and it seems to be working. So now we will connect to the Wi-Fi or app, and we'll see what happens there. And currently the green light is flashing. So according to it, green light is flashing edge in power generation. I have started the Smart Life app, and here it is identified as solar grid micro inverter. So I will click on add, and it is being added. Seems to take some time. So here it is added, now done, and now go to the interface, what is there to see. So it is inverter type GMI 1000. It also has an ID, and it can be, seems that it can be switched on and off. But currently it is not showing the, I would say, refresh. So it says, okay, so it is not automatic refreshing. You have to press the refresh button. It says 22.7 volt, which may be correct because in my simulated solar it is 23.16 and ampere is 3.3, and here it is also 3 ampere and around 75 volts, 75 watts. Here it says 0.06 kilowatts, so it is correct. Let's go to the setting. It has power set 0 to 100%. Can also be the timer be added. What if I remove the clamp? So let's do that. So if I remove the clamp, then it should not show because it is not getting anything. And refresh, yes. So it is complete, zero export. That's very good. So if there is no signal from the clamp, now I have connected it. And let's see. Refresh, and it has started working. But if I increase some load there, no, maybe I can increase the load. Let's say 60 watts and refresh. Yes, now it is around 100 watts. Should be 140 watts or so on. So it is now 140 watts. Okay, so CT seems to be working based upon the load. Okay, so and it is not getting very hot too, I would say, except for this refresh button, which I have to do it manually. It seems to work. What else is there? Today's electricity and so on. These two buttons. Oh, okay. Week, month, setting. And what if I say no counter current? Counter current means the zero export. If I say no counter current, so it should be able to okay. So if I do the counter current switch off, then there is no power generation by the inverter at the moment. I do it, then it takes some time. Let's go back to the interface and press refresh. Again, so it takes some time. I think there is a delay of around 5 to 10 seconds, but in my opinion it works. Okay, so I would say and compared to Soyosource, this has a workable web interface and it has less components. Soyosource has 1 meter also. It is a little bit bigger, but I would say compared to Soyosource, it is a little bit cheaper and it works. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you don't like, then you can also unlike it. But still, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.